Hello and welcome to another episode of Selling Life and Annuities. I'm Steve Allison, and today with me I have Tim Luby, our National Sales Director of Annuities. And the topic for today is ultimate income solutions for your clients. So Tim, let's get right into it. I mean, when we think of income, I think of income that needs to last for the rest of your life, but without any uncertainty. So I guess what would be guaranteed income, a lifetime income that we have to consider?
Well, I think you hit it. I think the thing that annuities offer that's so outstanding, the thing that makes them like probably the greatest value proposition available in the annuity business today is what you hit on, the fact that it's guaranteed, the fact that it's lifetime, and even for a husband and wife, that neither one of them can outlive it, and that the rates today, that it's highly competitive.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Well, that's exactly right. So another thing that I hear about often, though, and maybe some agents get confused about, is what's the difference between, say, an income rider or annuitization? Those are two main ways you can get income from an annuity that's for life.
Right. Yeah, that's a great question. And it's an important sort of differentiation. You know, for decades, annuitization was the way people got money out of an annuity, other than a free withdrawal or something along those lines. And annuitization is still available. It can still provide an income guaranteed to last a lifetime, and it can be competitive. But with annuitization, you give up the asset. The asset's not yours anymore. The income, whatever income you signed up for, is guaranteed for as long as you live. But with these new riders that we're talking about, the asset's still yours for as long as it lasts. And that makes a big difference.
Yeah, I mean, 'cause so basically, without giving up your principal, there could actually be a death benefit.
That's right.
Okay. So, and then when I think about this, all these income riders, there's all sorts of different things that can fluctuate and change which carrier might have the most income for a client, whether it's step-up rates or bonuses or whatnot. Can you talk a minute about all those?
Yeah. Yeah, that's a great point. There are different ways that the income riders get to where the income levels that they get to. Some of them can have very large bonuses. Bonuses in the 40-50% range have been seen. They can have very great step-up rates from 4 or 5% up to a 10% or even better than that in terms of the rate that those things can change all the time. And of course, the payout rates can vary. But what really makes a difference for us is the tools that we have. We've got a tool like Annuity Rate Watch, for example, that really looks at all the income riders that are available on the market, and it'll tell us the one that's going to guarantee you the highest income. And so it really doesn't matter who's got the best bonus, who's got the best step-up rate, who's got the highest payout rate. What matters is who's going to guarantee the highest income for these people based on when they want to start their income for the rest of their life.
Yeah. So they're pretty innovative, these carriers are. So I'm guessing how often does all this stuff happen? I mean, it can be kind of hard, I imagine, for agents to keep up with all this. I mean, are they changing every week, every month? How often?
They are changing often. It's a highly competitive market, which is partly why we're seeing that these rates are so great, and that we've never seen income as hot as it is today, as competitive as it is today, as high, if you will, as it is today. But they do change very often. The winners in the leaderboard can change 2 or 3 times a week sometimes, depending on, whether it's beginning of the month, end of the month, and what a carrier's appetite for business is. But then, there's other things that have changed too. There's been a great deal of innovation in the market. And so we see these carriers finding different ways to differentiate themselves. In other words, all things equal, sort of the highest income usually wins, right?
Most of the time.
But things aren't always equal, right? I mean, if the highest carrier is a lower rated carrier that you're comfortable with, that might not be the reason. Or if the second place carrier is one that offers like an enhanced benefit, like access to money or an increased access to money if in the event of long-term care or something like that, that might be the one to choose. So it's not always just the highest income that wins.
Yep. So then I guess what's the easiest way for an advisor to be able to get help with this?
That layoff question, right?
Yes.
Clearly, I think they need to contact the annuity team at Gordon Marketing, the experts at the annuity team at Gordon Marketing. No, but we do have phenomenal tools, and we're pretty passionate about this market, about income in particular. But if they call us, we will help find out exactly what we need so we can show them what the highest solutions for their client are and help them make a decision that that's what they want for their client, that that's what's going to be best for them and serve them well.
Yep. I guess so within wrapping up, you can certainly reach out to me, sallison@gordonmarketing.com, or my extension is 14,000. And Tim, how can they reach out to you?
I'm at timl@gordonmarketing.com, and my direct number is 330-283-6140.
Right. And with that, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, the notification bell, so you get a notification every time we put out a new video. Like, share, and comment if you can as well. And with that, happy selling.